Lewis electron dot structures can be used to predict a lot of things about molecules. One of the things is the relative oxidation number of the atoms in that molecule. Oxidation number is the relative electronic distribution of the atom in that molecule. So we'll do it by a prescriptive recipe. We'll draw a Lewis electron dot structure. Then we'll assign electrons in that Lewis dot structure to the various atoms based on which one is more electronegative. And we'll give an ionic distribution. That is, we won't share electrons at all. This oxygen, for instance, will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all 8 of those electrons to itself for the sake of this calculation. Then we'll compare how many electrons the atom has in the molecule to how many it would have in a neutral atom. And the difference will be the oxidation number. So let's do that. Lewis electron dot structure for NO2 minus, nitrogen, since the more electronegative oxygens draw all the electrons to themselves for the sake of this calculation, nitrogen has only 2 electrons around it. Let's look at this oxygen. That oxygen has 8 electrons around it because it gets both of those from that bond. The more electronegative element gathers all the electrons to itself. In the atoms, nitrogen has 5 valence electrons. So in this molecule 2, it normally has 5, so it has an oxidation number of 3. Oxygen, 6 electrons in its valence shell as an atom. So comparing the oxygen in the atom to the oxygen in a molecule, it has 2 additional electrons. So it has an oxidation number of -2. The oxidation number of nitrogen, 3. The oxidation number of oxygen, -2.